Okay, question 5. So they want us to use the Heron's method. Most likely you won't get tested. When I say most likely, I mean 99% of the school won't test you on this. If your teacher happens to wants you to learn a little bit more, then you might get tested. So just need to know how to use this formula. So it says that the square of x is approximately equals to a half times a plus x over a. So a is just the closest perfect square. So we'll use 5a as an example. We can say that the square of 75 is approximately equals to 1/2. Now, what's the closest perfect square root that is very close to the square root of 75? Well, we have 64 and 81. And then we can say that 75 and 81 is just 6 units away. And 64 to 75 is 11 units away. So we can use well, we should be using 81, right? So let's try that. So a is going to be the square root of 81, which is 9. So I have 9 plus 75 over 9. And we get a half times 81 over 9 plus 75 over 9. So 81, that is 156 over 9 times a half. And then we can simplify, divide this by 2 to get 1. Divide that by 2, we get 78. So this becomes 78 over 9, and then now I just do a long division. Nine times 8 is 72. 9 times 6 is 54. And then it will be 6 again. So the next decimal will also be a 6, right? So we get 8.6. Repeating. So maybe I will take these away. You get 8.66 repeating. I can do it again to improve. Now that I know 8.66 is actually the closest one compared to 9, I can let a be 8.66. And this one I will have to use my calculator. I can't do it by hand. 8.66 plus 75 divided by 8.66 times 1 over 2. And I also get 8.66. So that should be the answer already, right? And now I can check my answer. I can just type this in, the square root of 75. And I get 8.66, and it's very, very close to the actual answer. Okay, so this is the Heron's method. If you don't get it, I think it's fine because I really don't think you will get tested on this question. So I just did one for fun. Okay, I'll see you in question 6.